And he said, but the air testing shows you have toxic sporing mold at very high levels. And he, broke it down, the different kinds of mold. Don't ask me, I don't remember. He said it, I could say yes or no.
Sure.
But he was like, yeah. And that's the problem. And so, then of course from there, so the actual mold that tipped me off wasn't the big problem. The big problem was what was sort of lurking in the air. And so then of course we embark on we had to demolition a lot of the apartment because of course there had not been any flooding. Right. There was no smell. We live in a very sort of, to be very frank with you, very fancy apartment. It is not a place that you would ever walk into and say, this place has mold, because we have preconceptions about what a moldy place might look or smell like.
Totally.
And so it took a long time. It was like that game, remember when we were younger, where we're trying to hit the thing? And it
whack-a-mole.
We just could not find the mold.
Yeah.
And then one day they were like, all right, bingo. And it was a overly tightened sprinkler head in the wall of my bedroom, right near the HVAC that was blowing on top of me for years.